just showcasing these different elements. So I actually didn't have the burden of research on me.
Brilliant characterization. But are you a detective story fan?
I'm a huge crime fan, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I am a huge crime fan, though I have to say with this film, I can't even see it as crime. Of course it is a crime, but it's a tragedy. You know, it's a tragedy on so many levels that I can't even see it as true crime, how we would, you know, watch something like The Killing or, you know, one of these shows that we watch. This is, you know, it's beyond that.
Irfan sir, good to see you on Indian shores, let's put it that way. So what made you say yes? Was it just Vishal ji? Was it Meghna? What was it?
It's the power of the story, you know, you see different versions. What happens with us, you know, we read headlines of paper or we listen to television or, you know, somebody's version in the internet, and we have this tendency to believe those things. But I would say everybody has a responsibility to go beyond the headlines and do their own homework and then come to their own conclusion. You know, we shouldn't let the headlines form your opinion, because that's what human beings are. You know, they should be able to see their own truth. Our journey is about finding our own truth. And this, when I read this, you know, Vishal Sahab said, please read this script, and I was shooting somewhere and he sent me this. And there was all versions of different versions of the story. But still there was so powerful emotion which was coming out of the story. So, and that was, you know, that was something which compelled me to do this film. And I really want to congratulate to Meghna the way she has, you know, this the kind of immense pain and consistency and, you know, perseverance it must have taken for her to come up with this, and the way Vishal Sahab shaped the, you know, story.
So, you know that little exchange that you just said, how Vishal Sahab sent you the script. How does one get in touch with Irfan Khan nowadays? Or is it all via email and WhatsApp, because one can't really pinpoint your location? So are you a tough person to catch these days?
I think I'm the easiest one.
Really?
Yeah, this phone number, but the only thing is I had to change my number for the first time in my life, because it became so available to everybody that, you know, there was, you know, just calling me, oh, kya chal raha hai aajkal?
So, if your number is unreachable, it's because you're not in that select list that has a new number.
Maybe you have an older number.
Yeah, that's true. I thought kind of the version, yes.
The character, because the film presents multiple versions of the same story. And yes, it was an important film because of it being a real life, a true life incident. And when you perform this, you have to be extremely sensitive, because you're putting various versions of human beings who are still alive today, who are suffering today. And you're there to present that. You're not giving a stance. So when you perform that as an actor, you don't take a stance on this. You don't perform in a particular way. You keep it as neutral as possible for the audience to judge and to take their own opinions. That is what becomes a very important work for a performer.
Well, I leave the audience to judge what they have seen and heard. And I will open it out to the house. So whoever would like to ask the first question, and to whoever.
विशाल जी, आपसे एक सवाल करना था. वाइकॉम मीटिंग की एक फिल्म आई थी रहस्य, वो भी इसी का थी. क्या आपको भी इसमें कुछ चेंजेस करने पड़े?
नहीं, उन्होंने तो मेरे हिसाब से जहाँ तक मेरी नॉलेज है, उन्होंने तो ये कहा ही नहीं कि ये फिल्म उस पर बेस्ड है, इसलिए रिलीज हुई वो फिल्म. नहीं तो फिल्म रिलीज भी नहीं होने वाली थी. तो उन्होंने तो लास्ट तक फिल्म मेकर ने ये कहा कि ये फिल्म उस पर बेस्ड नहीं. तो मेरी तो ये नॉलेज है, बाकी तो
that's what she's saying. Did you have to change certain things?
नहीं, पर उन्होंने तो चेंज किया ही इसलिए कि वो बोल रहे थे कि उनकी फिल्म उस पर बेस्ड नहीं. हम कह रहे हैं हमारी फिल्म उस पर बेस्ड.
So there was no trouble but in releasing it and getting.
वो तो अब शुरू होगी, आज पहला दिन है. तो
आप खुद एक पिता हैं, तो एक पेरेंट्स के एंगल से भी आपने उस चीज को छूने की कोशिश की है जो उस फिल्म में थोड़ा कम था.
जो मैंने तो वो फिल्म देखी नहीं, और जो मुझे बताया गया कि वो उस पर बेस्ड थी भी नहीं, क्योंकि जो कहानी थी वो कुछ और ही कहानी थी. और मेरे हिसाब से जितना मुझे लगा, जितना उस कहानी के बारे में मैंने सुना, मुझे लगा उसको एक कमर्शियली एक्सप्लॉइट करने के लिए यूज़ किया गया था, कि ये किसी तरह जो कि फिल्म मेकर्स के ऊपर उल्टा पड़ गया था. मेरे हिसाब से जहाँ तक मुझे महसूस होता है वो ये हुआ.
बाकी उस फिल्म के आपका सवाल क्या था इसमें?
जी, एक पिता के एंगल आप खुद एक
अच्छा, आप उस फिल्म बोले थे कि उसमें नहीं था
तो
इसमें तो मैं ना पिता हूँ ना बेटा हूँ। इसमें ये मैं एज ए राइटर इसमें देखा है कि इस इंसिडेंट के, इस क्राइम के 3 इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुए। एक पहले पुलिस ने किया, फिर एक सीबीआई टीम 1 आई उसने किया, और एक फिर सीबीआई टीम 2 आई उसने किया। उन तीनों के वर्जन्स, फर्स्ट और 3 के वर्जन्स सेम हैं, पर उनके रूट्स अलग अलग हैं, मर्डर ऑफ वेपन्स अलग हैं, और टीम 1 का वर्जन अलग है। तो एक तरीके से ये 3 डिफरेंट वर्जन्स हो जाते हैं। वो हमने जितनी ऑनेस्टी के साथ, जो हमारी रिसर्च में लोगों से मिलके, उन इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स से मिलके, जो उनके वर्जन्स हमें लगा कि ये सही है, जो वो कहना चाहते थे, हमने वो दिखाए। अब उसमें ऑब्वियसली एक में पेरेंट्स किलर होंगे, एक में नहीं होंगे। तो उसमें जैसे आप बोल रहे थे कि उन्हें हेट करेंगे, तो किसी में दूसरे वर्जन में उनके पर दया भी आएगी।
लेकिन ये अभी तक अनसुलझी पहेली है, क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है?
जी, हम भी नहीं समझा, हमने भी सुलझाने की कोशिश नहीं की। जी,
एंडिंग ओपन ही अभी। यस,
no, we have not taken the permissions of the parents. We have not taken.
Preeti, my first question is to you. What made you choose such a controversial subject?
See, cinema.
Now, how do you manage everything, sir?
ये कोई बीच का शब्द ढूंढना पड़ेगा आपको, कि मैं किसी वुड का कुछ वुड नहीं हूँ।
And so, what made you come into this controversial?
Why are you using this word controversial?
So
controversial is something, everything is controversial. We have this tendency of getting fed by cinema and, newspapers and TV, As a human being, we have a responsibility to find our own truth. If we are not doing that, then we are dead. We are worse than dead. So human beings should come to their own truth, and they should find their own truth. It shouldn't be so easy for somebody. We shouldn't be so gullible. This is my take on life, and that's what make me choose sometimes a very lighter film or sometimes very complicated film. I did a film called Life of Pi, which was such a hugely, महंगी film. But still the filmmaker chose not to feed you. The story doesn't choose you to feed you the truth. The truth, you have to find your own truth. I chose the story because the emotion was so compelling, the story was so compelling. And this is the story of our times.
So, but it is still a mystery, sir. So that is going to get unfolded, or it's going to be a mystery
Please
forever?
dwell into it. Dwell into it. Don't expect that somebody is going to give you the answer to that mystery. Mystery, you have to dwell into it. You can't find easy answers to it. The life is all about that.
मेघना गुलजार से मेरा सवाल है, जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन। लोग कहते हैं आज हर चीज़ में पॉलिटिक्स घुस गई है, तो क्या इस फिल्म के दौरान भी आपको पॉलिटिक्स का सामना करना पड़ा?
किस तरह की पॉलिटिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं? मैं समझी नहीं।
ये सब्जेक्ट है,
इसमें तो पॉलिटिक्स का कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है।
इरफान जी ये बोल रहे हैं कि इसमें कंट्रोवर्सीज है जो पॉलिटिकल हो सकती है, उसकी वजह से ऐसा कुछ बोलने को सोच रहे हैं? नहीं, आप भी कंफ्यूज है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Okay, so Irfan, I'd like to ask you that what do you think this movie will make a difference to your life?
It has already made difference. Now it is supposed to make difference to your life. When I read the story, there was a revelation for me that, it grabbed me emotionally, and it gave me a kind of operating system, the way, in a system different departments operate, and that's what, I came to know through this film, and I lived that film, this story. Now it's, it has to do whatever it has to do to you.
Kankana, your take on